be your blogger for today. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a cream o blizzard cake. And in this cake, baking is not required. So before we start, we're going to show you the needed ingredients.
1/3 cup all-purpose cream, chopped dark chocolates, 1 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoon butter, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose, and 24 pieces cream o crushed cookies. Take 2 tablespoon butter and mix it with the crushed cream o. Then spread the crushed cream o into a mold or container. Take 1 cup chopped dark chocolate and pour 1/3 cup all-purpose cream and melt it in a double boiler or microwave. Use a pan with water as a substitute. Then continuously stir the mixture well. Next, pour a 1 cup of all-purpose cream in a bowl. Then mix it. Add the chocolate mixture. Pour the mixture on top of the base and spread it evenly. Refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but much better if overnight. This is our final product of our cream o blizzard cake. Thanks for watching!